Hello and welcome. What are we going to look at in this video? Well, we're going to examine the finished first teapot in this series, and we're going to look at what I'm thinking about my palette for the second teapot that will be coming up soon. And we'll see what we can put together and if we can excite you enough to jump in on this project. Okay, let's look at the teapot. Let me bring you up so you can see it better. I have finished this page, except for when I put the pages together, I will have batting in between, sort of be padded, and I will be doing some stitching on the inside, probably stipple stitching, in order to attach firmly these pages to that inside batting. Okay, let's see here. Let's bring it up and let you get a really good look at it. Since my last video, I have added the trim up here, which is just some fringe, some straight stitching, and some yarn and some couching. And then I added this piece, which is basically reinforcing the spine because when this opens up, and so getting prepared to make that signature stronger to put in the little fabric book it's going in. I added, since the last video, the gold threading through here, this piece of floral here in this wheat color that is just beautiful against this lace. I did a little decorative stitching here, put some little decorative stitches inside there, just straight stitched with a little French knots on the lid, straight stitched that, and I just tacked this on good. So it's finished, and I think that I'm very pleased with this. It has enough of the gold to simulate a gilded teapot, and so I will be very happy to put this in my book. Now, like I said, this is just starting this signature. This is the other page, and then I will be doing another one of these and attaching it to the back side with batting in between. That'll make a really nice, soft, padded signature, and there'll probably be two or three, I don't know how many for sure, signatures in my little book, how many teapots that I can dream up to make. Okay? Now, as to what I'm going to do next, the next one will be going on here on this side. So I can show you what my shape looks like. Now, this is my first attempt at the template. I will be cutting this down, making it a little bit smaller. Maybe not a great deal smaller, but a little bit smaller so that it fits on my page good. But this is my next design, I think. And let me bring you back up. Sorry, I hit the wrong button. Cut you off and we'll start again. Leave it up to me. You never know what's going to happen here. Okay, so this is our pattern. And these are the fabrics that I've chosen to start playing with. I think these are going to be a good combination to make a very colorful teapot here. And of course I will be doing the gold gilding again. And I don't know what embellishments yet that I will do or what embroidery stitching I will do on it. But just to give you an idea of how I brainstorm an idea, so that if you want to jump in on this project, you can do the same thing. Find you a teapot shape that you think you would like and can make. grab you some fabrics that you think you want to play with, and then work from there and let it grow organically, intuitively as you work on it. And as I've always said, if you allow your art, your stitching, whatever you're working on artistically, to speak to you, it will tell you what it needs. And then if you follow that, you hardly ever go wrong, because it just happens very naturally. Okay? All right, what do you think? Do you like this teapot? Do you like how I embellished it? What are your thoughts on this one? Got any embellishing ideas or embroidery design ideas? I'm kind of thinking about the orange being the actual teapot part, so I would have space and room to do some decorative stitching on here. So give me your thoughts. What do you think? Or the embellishment as is. Now, this pot is going to be a little bit bigger than this one, for sure. And so I'm not sure how much embellishment I can get in on the back side. This fabric that I'm using for the background is like a flannel, and it's pretty lightweight flannel. But I think that when I get the elements on, if I do some stipple stitching inside, it will look really pretty in the coordinated color, this wheat color, so that the stitching doesn't overpower the artwork here. Any suggestions or that you have for me on this project, please drop them in the comments. I'm always open for suggestions. And if you are doing this and you post on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, drop me a link, email me, whatever. I'd love to see it, or drop me an email with it in it. I just love to see your work. All right, till next time, let's all stay very scrap happy.